Welcome back to Underground Dollar, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. We often hear about the law of attraction, but it's often discussed at a surface level, lacking practical application to the real world. While mindset is essential, it alone is not enough. Your mindset truly matters when combined with action and dedication. For example, reading books and watching fitness videos won't change your physique unless you actually hit the gym and adopt a healthy lifestyle. This principle applies to all aspects of life, whether it's work, career, or relationships. And here's the powerful secret. To get what you want, you must shift your focus from your desires and instead consider the world deeply. By doing so, you immediately set yourself apart from the majority. Why? Because most people are selfish, only thinking about what they want without considering what the world needs. However, here's the truth. The world doesn't care about what you want. It cares about what you have to offer. Business partners value your ability to generate profits. Potential life partners seek someone who can improve their lives, and neither of them cares solely about your personal needs and wants. The moment you become someone who provides value to others, you become invaluable, and you become the prize. Instead of chasing after opportunities and people, you can attract them. But remember, this approach requires action and two key conditions to be met. First, you must actually become valuable in the area you want to attract success. Second, you must be perceived as valuable by others. Let's explore a practical example in the business world. Imagine you're a student seeking your first job at a prestigious firm. Most people would send out countless applications hoping to secure interviews. They may prepare well-rehearsed answers, viewing the company as the prize, as if they should feel lucky to be considered. Now let me share a smarter approach. Imagine there's another candidate who takes a different path. This person thoroughly researches the industry's current challenges and how they affect the firms they're interested in. They brainstorm solutions and think about how their skills can be applied to address these problems. Instead of sending generic applications, they attend a career fair where the firms of interest are present. During conversations with executives, this candidate doesn't immediately ask for a job. Instead, they ask thought-provoking questions like, in your opinion, what are the biggest challenges the industry and your firm are currently facing? By actively listening, they engage in a genuine dialogue, showcasing their knowledge and offering potential solutions. The executives start to realize that this candidate knows their stuff, making them a valuable asset. Eventually, an executive suggests sending a CV and arranging an interview. But here's the game changer. During the interview, this candidate confidently states, I applied because Mr. X from your company recommended it. He mentioned that I could be a good fit. Today, I'm here to find out if your firm is a good match for me and if I want to join your team. By making the firm come to them and positioning themselves as the prize, this candidate takes control of the situation. They confidently ask the firm, what do you have to offer? This stance places them in a strong negotiating position, making the firm chase them. To implement this strategy, you must first become valuable in your chosen field and then be perceived as valuable by others. If you believe you lack value, work on improving yourself. If you feel undervalued, focus on enhancing others' perception of your worth. By consistently applying these principles, you'll attract opportunities and people into your life. Remember, this approach works in various fields, whether it's business or relationships. When you consistently implement these principles, you gain a significant advantage over your competition. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you agree or do you have different perspectives? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.